Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a voiceover because it was a little bit loud in my house. So we are going to be making a rose. I'm making the rose for this bouquet blanket that I have. So I'm just going to teach y'all how to make this beautiful rose. It's super cute, super easy, and super fast to make. So what you're going to need first is a crochet hook, some scissors, and any color yarn that you would like to use. I'm going to use red. So to start, we're going to make a slip knot first. Sorry y'all, I was kind of having trouble making this slip knot at first. It takes time getting used to these long nails. So after you make your slip knot, what you're going to do is just chain 15. So that's what I'm doing right here. Sorry if y'all can hear in the background. So here is my 15 that I've done. After you chain 15, this is what we're looking like. We're going to go into the second stitch from the hook, and we're going to put 3 double crochets in each stitch. So this first stitch, I did my 1, 2, 3 double crochets. Okay, and now we're just going to go into the next one and do the same thing. You're going to do 3 double crochets in that one stitch. And all you're going to do is repeat this until you reach the end. All right, so once you have reached the last stitch, you're going to slip stitch, and then you're going to chain 1. And then at this point, you can go ahead and cut off your yarn. Make sure you leave enough yarn to tie it at the end. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. And now what you can do is just turn even up your yarn, like make it into like a spiral, and just play with it to make sure it looks right. Okay, it's already looking cute. So this is what our rose look like. And now what we're going to do is, if you don't have to attach it to this bouquet blanket, but this is what I am making. You can always attach it to something else, but I'm just showing y'all how I add it to my bouquet blanket. I'm having a little bit of trouble getting the hook through. There we go. All right, so I take one side of my string and pull it through. And then the other one, the other string, I'm going to like pull. Okay, so I'm gonna put my hook through the top part, so it's going down the middle of the rose. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that string and I'm gonna pull it all the way through. I didn't get it this first time. Okay, there we go. It was kind of messing up, but now what you're gonna do is go through the bottom part and pull that string all the way back down, so that the string is at the bottom and not the top. But make sure you're not pulling it back through the same hole that you pulled it up through, if that makes sense. So go ahead and pull it down. All right. And after we pull it down, I'm going to put my crochet hook through the back. And I am actually going to pull my yarn through. And then after I do that, all there's left to do is just to tie it. I usually do 2 knots, but I make sure it's extra tight because, and yep, you're gonna have to play with it a little bit just to make sure that it's not gonna come undone from the middle and that it's super secure. So go ahead and tie your rows on there. And I make sure mine's very tight because I don't want mine to be falling off. So that's 1 knot. And then let me do my 2nd knot. Alrighty. And then I just give it an extra tug to make sure it's super secure and tight. Alright. And that is your rose. It's super cute. I'm just playing with it just to make sure it's not gonna like unravel or anything. Okay. And this is our rose. The strings are still hanging in the back. If you want to weave them in as you go, you can, but I'm gonna wait till I get all the way done with the blanket to do that. But yeah, that's it. I hope y'all liked this tutorial. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you liked my video, and stay tuned for the next one. Thank you. Bye.